What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing y'all my small, effective, tiny body shop somewhere in Texas, and I'm going to show y'all how everything gets done. Not how we do business around here. You know what I mean? So let me show you a little bit around my shop. Right here I put on my bike parts and like random shit that I find in cars. Like that amp was in that beat. Who the fuck is that? Yeah, that amp was in that car over there. And my daughter's bike parts, my motorcycle parts. Right here I put all the random shit like Bondo, or not Bondo, let's glaze, like spray cans and shit, some tape. Bondo, that's the cheap Bondo. I don't really use it on people's cars. That's why it's been sitting there for a while. But you know, right here's my little beast of a machine. Works like a fucking champ, you know. I've only used it once, but I feel like I'm a pro at it already. But I'm gonna teach everybody how to use it. Right here is the Bodyshop refrigerator. Sir, can you open that for me? Hurry up, jackass. Yeah, there's nothing much in here. Like, I need a clean in here, man. Like, it's fucking nasty. I don't even use it. I've been having that for like 3 years. Just kidding. That's from today, but you know what I mean. I gotta clean it. Right here is my sticker collection, I guess you could say, that I've had over time. All these I got within a year, honestly. Top of the drawer, I have a big mess. I have sandpapers, another day, a spreader I need to fucking clean. This badass toolbox I have from Snap-on. Can you open it, sir? Let's see it, man. I need to show y'all this. I use this one every single day, pretty much. Beast. Right here's my small charging station. Nothing but Snap-on. Power tools. Some Milwaukee, but not much. I need to get some more Milwaukee. They're pretty badass. This is my big table for mixing paint. Excuse me, sir. Right here, the magic gets done sometimes. Got some spray out cards. Pretty damn useful, man. They try to sell me some metal ones for like 50 bucks. I'm like, bitch, you got me fucked up. Just give me the free ones. You know, I don't need all that shit. Right here's my leftover paint from over time. And I got some, what's it called? Some compounds. Whenever I'm buffing cars, run over here and get some damn compound and get to fucking work. This here is Steve, as you can see right here. I hired him when I first started my business. Long story short, I got a printer and I printed this picture out as a test and I kept it ever since. So this is where I got the video from. Boy, you ugly. This is the forbidden body shop restroom where nobody wants to go in. And this is a little sink. Pretty useful sink. This here is my motorcycle that fucked up a few months ago. I was heading back to the house after a long day of work and that little shaft fucked up. I gotta get it fixed. My friend knows how to fix it. This here is my beast of a welder, the Lincoln 140. This thing has helped me so much over the years. I've had it since I was like 17. And right here, I honestly have a mixture of old fucked up parts and new parts that I've yet to install. I honestly need to clean this whole entire wall out, man. Like, it's like so small. It's not too small in here, but you know, like that car takes up a lot of fucking space, dude. It's a 72 Impala. I still need to strip it down and shit, but I've been too busy, honestly. That probably sounds pretty bad, but if you have a small body shop and you take in cars like this, that you need to strip down and all that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I might just do this one and probably do no more restorations. Honestly, I'm only gonna prime it, but you know, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Fuck that. But that's pretty much it on the small body shop I own here. I'm renting out a stall here a day, and for what it costs a month, like, it's not bad here, man. And the landlord has not raised rent on this, and he's pretty badass. But I'll be showing y'all more videos down the road on how to use all these machines, how to pull dents, how to paint, how to prime, how to adjust your gun when you paint, all that shit, man. So, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll hit y'all up later.